Welcome back to Chart Art Season 1. We're going to be here on week 3. I know that says week 2, but we're going to go ahead and fix that right now. Week 3. There we go. We're going to be trading July 22nd to July 26th. But before we get going, smash that like button, subscribe if you've been with us for a while and haven't done so yet. Check out the Trade Cave store, link in the description, as well as the channel bio. We've got some new products on there, very exciting, some excellent, exciting products on there right now. And also look out for the sticker shop coming out soon. I'll definitely let you know when it is ready, but remember, it is coming. If you want to get your hands on some Trade Cave stickers that aren't $8, it's much, much cheaper on this new printer that I'm going to be working with. So keep your eyes out for that. All right, anyways, we're going to do things a little bit differently here. So I was going to keep it all the same until Season 2, but then Super Microcomputer went and did a split and changed everything on me here. So I'm going to go ahead and do this a little bit differently now. So you can see here that the stock here at that time was trading at $80, right? That was actually $800 at the time because they just did a split like a week ago, which actually I might do an income machine on SMCI here in the near future. But for now, we're going to be doing it like this. So basically, if you look down here in the bottom right, you see a buy and a sell button. I'm going to be using that, and we're going to track it in actual dollars versus points like I was doing before, like a fool. No, that's okay. We're still going to hold to our $100 loss as our cutoff zone, and we're going to be looking for like a 2-to-1 or more in return. So, you know, 200 for every 100. Of course, we'll cut it off if I feel the need to cut it off. I'm also going to be adding a 15-minute orb that we will be trading on these as well now. So that is orb, ORB is opening range breakout, and we're going to be doing that on the first 15 minutes of the day, and we're going to use that range in our decision-making process for taking trades going forward. So that's how things are going to be different, and let's get right into it. So we're right here. We started on July 22nd. So let's get our first 15 minutes on the board here so we have our orb. All right, there's our orb. Okay, let's go ahead. And to do this orb, so you'll go to the top of the range for the first 15 minutes, and I like to make it a light blue. And the bottom of the range. So that's going to be our range for the day, okay? When price gets to the bottom of this, we're looking for either a breakout or a reversal. And when it gets to the top, we're looking for either a breakout or a reversal. So we're going to go ahead and take a look and see what happens now. Okay, so we came up. Okay, so look at this. This is interesting. So these are all kind of heading down. This is going flat. I actually would take a short on this. Now, this one's a little risky. I'm not going to lie, this one is a little bit risky because we're right in the middle of the orb. We could go to the top or the bottom, but we got that nice wick on top. We know that it's already trying to go in a downtrend. It bounced off or rejected off of the 21 EMA here on the 5-minute chart. So we're going to go with a sell, and we're going to keep this thing tight, like maybe even less than 100. So let's go to a sell here, and let's see what happens. All right, we're already up. Oh, wait. Man, let me reset my bar. Okay, so problem with this. This needs to be 100 shares. Okay, that was a problem. So let me go ahead and drag this back in. Okay. All right, and then we add it there. All right, replay. Okay, here we go. $88, 126. So we're at the bottom of this orb now. See how it's coming right back in? Now, do we want to take that risk and see if it's going to go any lower? Now, we do see on the BX extender here that these are getting bigger, meaning the momentum is moving down further. We can see that we aren't quite oversold on the fast oscillators yet. So we're going to take a risk and go one more in. All right, we went one more in. We're up $154 now. This is still getting bigger. These are still coming down. We're going to go one more. All right, and I think that's it. That's it. That's it. We're gonna buy it back. All right, there we go. So you can see down here, our first trade was for $134. We made that. So let's go down here. Trade 134. Okay. Now let's move on to the next one. So are we going to come back inside the orb now? So we're looking for, yeah, we're probably going to come back inside the orb now. So, but the thing is, since we're in a downtrend, I don't know if we're going to go all the way back up to the top of the orb unless we take out the 21 EMA. So we're going to see if, yeah, see, it looks like it might just go lower. So this is actually a trade I'd probably look at getting into. You see how, now, never mind, actually. All of these are at the bottom. All the momentum oscillators are near the bottom. This is looking like a bull flag. So let's wait here a second. I don't like it. I don't like any of that wick on the bottom. So we might not even take a second trade today. because it's all showing weakness, but like intermittent strength. See, things like that. That's a big engulfing candle. So we want to see it get above the 21. And once we get above the 21, we might be looking to go back to the top of this orb. So let's go and look here. Okay. I don't like any of this. These oscillators aren't really giving me a lot to work with. Like that would have been a good like 5-minute trade, but I'm not really into it right as it is right now. Let's see here if we're going to just kind of mess around. So we've kind of creating a new range here between here and here. So let's see if we can't. There it is. That is what I'm looking for right there. Okay, so I'm going to take one more. See, aha. Okay, that's still going green. No, now it's coming down. That's the one. Okay, one more. Okay, we're going to buy on here. And we're looking for it to go up into this orb or down underneath this. Okay, so let's see what we get here. There it is. Go back up into the orb. Come on. We might take a loss on this one. Okay, we're back up into the orb. So now that we're back up into the orb, we're looking for it to ride the 21 up to the 200. Let's see if we can get that. Okay, we're up $58. We're doing a little bit of a pullback here. If we lose the 21, we're out of this thing, though. What time is it? We're at 11, so we got 2 hours to go. So we just, no, we didn't lose it. No, we didn't lose it. Still didn't lose it. Still not losing it. All right, oh, no, still didn't lose it. Oh, still haven't lost it. It doesn't want to give up that 21. All right, there we lost it. Okay, so we're going to close this out for plus 35 there. We lost the 21. I don't trust it anymore. We're also outside of that range there. So this thing doesn't count anymore. And that was down here. We're at 169, but that first one, what was it for? What did I say it was? This is a problem with that one, huh? 35, I think it was. I'll do that math later. Does that equal 169? I don't think it does. Oh, it does. It does. Cool. All right. So we're going to do this. We're going to go here. This. We're going to do this as a sum. All right. 169. All right. Let's look for our next one. It's already 11:55, so we're probably not going to do another one today. So let's go to the next day. Yeah, we're definitely not going to do another one today. All right. We're at 6:30 the next day. All right. So we're going to do our next orb. All right. There's our orb. Let's go ahead and drag these down, one there and one down here. Okay. So let's see what we're going to see. All right, we're already coming to the bottom of that range. So I wouldn't be surprised to see this thing come up all the way to the top of this orb right now, but I am hitting the 5. We're at the bottom. Oh, yeah, no. Okay, we're going to go in on this one. So you see the momentum oscillators are all the way at the bottom. They're pinging up hard. We're getting the BX extender here. We're getting, this is just another momentum oscillator. It is coming, histogram, excuse me. It is getting smaller, and we are moving up, wicks on the bottom. All right, so we're going to go here. Our cutoff is going to be this orb here. Let's see if we get it. Here we go. Here we go. There it is. We're getting towards the top of the orb here. This is still getting smaller. These are still moving up. Let's see. And I'm going to cut it off there for plus 70. All right, so the next one is plus 70. Okay. We're going to cut it off. And we're going to see if things reset. We're going to see what happens next. Okay, because you can see the orange is curling down. These are starting to get slower on the up move. Oh, and it was 1 too early. Okay, so let's see what's going to happen here. So we lose the 21 here. We're coming back down to the bottom of this orb. So let's go see what's going on there. All right, so did we lose it? No, we didn't lose it. Didn't lose it. There we go. That's going to be the one that we lost it on. So I'm actually going to take a risk here, and I'm going to go for a put down to the bottom of this orb. Now, don't be surprised if this shoots right back up and knocks us out at 78. So let's see. This one's actually extra risky. I probably wouldn't take this one in real life. There it is. Yep, that's it. I'm going to go ahead and cut this here, I think. Well, let's see. Let's see what the next candle says. Let's take our... One more. Boom, that's it. We're done. So minus 157. We almost lost everything there. Minus 157. So now we're only up at 82 this time. So we're going to go ahead and close that out. All right. That's a loser. So let's see what happens now. So we're looking at testing the top of this orb now if we can. And if we don't get a test of the top of the orb, a test of the 21. So let's see here. Yeah, this was a bull flag. Should have seen that coming. So we're getting this. It's just too strong now to give me a good signal. Everything's like up high and everything's like, we got to lose the 21 again or test it. Let's see what's happening. All right, so we were coming down. Did we lose it? We might have lost it. Okay. Everything's down at the bottom here. So I want to see this kind of come back up a tiny bit. I want to see these reset. There it is. That's it. That's a 1. That's a good one. Let's see here. Puts are harder. Puts are always harder. See how it wants to naturally kind of move up on us here. So I'm actually going to try to do a call here off this one. So we bounced off. We came into this. We're coming off of it now. Let's see what the next candle is. Yeah, there we go. Okay. Stop loss is going to be right down here. So let's see. Go, 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 go. Oh, no. Wiped us immediately. But I don't like it, though. I don't like what it's doing. I kind of want to do one more, but these things are getting larger and larger and larger. I think we just lose it. I think we just lose it. Yeah, we're done. Minus 189. Okay. Oh, not that. Minus 189. We're actually in negative territory this time. We're actually going into negative territory this time. That sucks. All right. All right, here we go. Yeah, I figured it was going to come back up after that one, but you never know. Yeah, this is getting ugly now. Okay, we're ready to do a put here on this. Watch. We're looking to do a put. We're at 1235. No, we're just going to the next day. Okay, there's the next day. There's our orb right there and right here. Here we go. All right, so we bounced off the bottom of that orb. That's not too bad. This is getting really ugly right here, though. Actually, don't hate this. All right, let's see what the next one is. All right, that's a big ugly one. That's coming down. We're breaking the orb. All right, we're breaking the orb. Okay, that's a test of the orb and a break back down of the orb. So let's see if we get it lower. I really hate how all these are at the bottom here because as soon as they'll start curling up again, I think I'd like to see this meet the 21. Yeah, I think I'd like to see this meet the 21 before I'd be interested in a put on this. Yeah, these volume bars are too big. Oh yeah, we're just missing this whole ride here. But we don't want to chase. Chasing is how we lose. All right, so we could be going lower on this, actually. We could be going lower on this. Okay, let's see what the next one is. That's bigger. It came down lower like that. All right, here we go. Let's do a sell on this bad boy. Okay, plus 67, plus 106, plus 90, plus 81, plus 98, plus 107. These are getting really small right now, and I don't like that. So we're going to take this as buy, plus 98. Okay, plus 98. So we're going to go 98. Now we're up $91. Okay. I don't like how small this is getting, and it's kind of leaning down like a falling wedge. So I'm not a fan of that. Now, one too early again. So let's. Oh, there we go. All right, so we hit the 21. Things are still down here. I want to see this start showing me weakness. I want to see that. Okay, there it is. All right, next one. Next weakness. All right, we're going to do one more sell. Anything above the 21 EMA, though, and I think we're out of here. So let's see what we get out of this thing. Up 35. These are so small and weak. All right, that was a good impulsive move. Let's do one more. No, we're out of here. No, let's still holding the 5. One more. Two more. One more. And we're going to go ahead and sell it. Oh, sorry. Buy it. 109. So 109 was the next one. Okay. And that's that. Where's my orb? Oof, man, my orb got left behind. What time is it? 11:40. So I think we're gonna move to the next day now. Because that's too many trades. Oh yeah, look at that. 12:30, 12:40. Ooh, never mind. We might run into a buy on this, actually. So we'll go one here. See if the next one's green. No, that's it. All right, orb, come back down. We're doing our next orb here. So this is now Thursday. So we got one more day in this after this, and that's it. So there's our orb right here and right there. All right, there we go. We got our orb, and it is looking like it wants to come up off of this. So actually, I might look at what the next candle is. If it gives me that, all right, that's what I like. But the five's in our way. Let's see, we got to get above that 5. Yeah, see, I knew that was coming. Okay, so we're at the bottom of the orb. Let's see what the next one is. Getting darker red. I don't like it getting darker red. Oh, yeah, we're going to lose this orb again, like straight away. Okay, let's see here, right there. 1, 2. That is not bad. Okay, we're going to go and do a buy on this one. And let's see what we get out of this. Boom, 69, 85. We're hitting the top of the range here. One more candle, take us higher. 155, that's the top of the orb. Now we could go higher. We could absolutely go higher, but do we want to play it safe and keep it? Actually, I want to see one more candle. Okay, 186, we're above the orb. These are intersecting now, so we could go one higher, and that's it. I'm going to close this off now. 226. So we're at 226. Okay, 426 for the week there on that. All right. And this is just trading like 100 shares, which would be equivalent to like the percentage move of one call or put, so one option contract on this thing. All right, so that's it. That's Thursday, 7:50 a.m. We're already pretty much done with this, so, but we want to see it go up and test the top of the orb. So let's get that going. As soon as we break this orb one more time, I think we're ready to go again. Let's see if it's going to, oh, no, it's not. It's going to bring us down lower. So we're hitting the bottom of the range. I probably should have done it here. So do we want to do a sell on this? No, I don't. I don't want to do a sell on this because I don't like that. It was coming down in this very controlled pattern and then popping up again. There we go. All right, so that's going to be it. I think that this thing could go higher. So we're going to go with a buy here. And basically anything beneath this candle right here, we're going to cut this thing off. All right, up $8, up $39, up $27, up $32. This is getting bad. I don't like the way that looks, actually. I think we're going to lose this thing. I think we're going to, ooh, I hate how small that is. I would probably cut this. So 83, okay, that's the breakout. So now our cutoff is going to be like anything underneath here. So let's go higher, a little bit higher. Come on, you can do it. A little bit higher. Let's see if we can get to the 200. I don't think it's going to get there. Yeah, that's it. Boom. I'm going to cut it off there. Sell $68. All right, so $68. There we go. We're up at 494 now. Very, very nice. Oh, wait a minute. Yeah. Did I say 68? Yeah. Okay. Okay, what time is it? We're looking at 9:45. Kind of don't want to do any more today. I don't think I'd do a third trade after getting those wins there. I think I'd just leave it at that. But let's see if there's one presenting itself here for getting to the lower part of the orb. Let's see. What time is it? 11:35. There we go. Next one. There it is. Okay. So I'm actually gonna do one more. Okay, let's do one more. All right. So I'm actually gonna go into a sell on this. Let me do one more. Yeah. Okay. This one's risky. This one's a little bit risky. So we're gonna go for a sell on this. We're looking at this at potentially being a bear flag and taking it down to at least halfway down this orb. So let's see. Let's see what happens. No, it's gonna wipe us out. It's gonna wipe us out. That's it. We're out of here. -74. That's it. We're not dealing with any more of that. As soon as it didn't go our way, that was that. All right, so we're gonna go into tomorrow now. Oh, look at that. That was the wipeout. Oh, I should have held it. Oh well. Let's see here. All right, 1, 2, 3. That's our orb for the last day of this trading cycle for this week for the season. All right, let's take a look here. So it's gonna go to the top of the orb now. Oh no, it didn't. Let's see. What are we gonna? Okay, here we go. So this is all kind of pointing down. Let's see. Yeah, there it is. Okay, so we're gonna go into a sell on this. This is very strong, and we're gonna take it. Oh yeah, look at this. It's gonna redo it. Come on, there it is. That was a bear flag. Give us the bear flag. This is brutal. This is going badly. 82. Do I want to risk it going any higher? This is getting rangy. No. Okay, -82. Okay, we're at 338 right now. Okay, let's see. I don't like it, so we're gonna reset. I don't like this range. Right now we're stuck in like this really garbage little range right here. I want to see it get out of that before I'm really interested in anything, up or down. This might be a terrible day. Okay, so we're out of that range. Are we gonna stay out of it, or are we just gonna come right back into it? Ooh, we're gonna hit the 200. We might drop off that. Let's get a look. Okay, we hit it, hit it. Come on, either break it or lose it. All right, we're gonna do one more attempt here. This is gonna be the last trade, I think, for this one. Hopefully this doesn't take us negative. Let's see. Yeah, this one was a harder week. Okay, break it. There it is. Break it. Get to the bottom of that range. Don't be a hero, SMCI. Go to the bottom. Go to the bottom of the range. We're almost through the day here. Come on, give us 100. It's so weak. I'd probably cut it here because this is just ugly. Yeah, this is super ugly. I'm going to go ahead and be done here. All right, $35. I think that's probably going to be it unless something big happens in this last hour. Notice how it came right back into this garbage little range right here and actually started ranging itself right about there too, which is even worse than it was before. Even worse than it was before, but let's see what the last hour holds for us here. Okay, we're at 12:15. If something doesn't present itself by 12:45, we're basically done. Okay. I don't think so. Yeah, 45, 50, and that's going to be the last candle of the day. And there's nothing. Okay, so that's it. That's it for week 3 for the chart art day trading SMCI. We closed out this week with $373 here. Significantly worse than the previous two. I did take one pretty big hit, mostly small wins, and one pretty big hit. 3 hits in total. I did take less hits than before over here on the first week, but the wins were a lot smaller this time around. There weren't really any big moves. Sometimes you're going to get weeks like that. Let's see what the current total is for all of these bad boys. Let's go right here. Yeah, right there. We're going to go equals this one plus, oops, sorry, not that button, plus this one plus this one, and we are looking at a total of 2151 in terms of cash here that we were winning. Let's go ahead and make that nice and big. 2151, that's our total right now that we've made in 3 weeks trading SMCI, a couple of contracts per week. So that's it. That's all we got for you today. Please like, comment, subscribe, share this video. Check out the Trade Cave store, link in the description, as well as the channel bio, and have a profitable day.